format of your event is really good, where there are some intellectually stimulating events like panel discussions and all, and there is a fair amount of time given to the presentations also. So we are quite happy, and we'll be a part of it in the times to come.
Great event. The crowd is very warm, and we met many good architects, right? We got a very good inquiry also in Delhi, and we missed that event. So definitely we look forward to associate for further events. Yeah.
I thought I would spend an hour or two.
Yes, sir.
But in a way, believe it or not, I reconnected with almost all the young architects in the old one in some way or the other. Any professional way I can add value to you, it is my privilege to be part of you.
The best part was everybody tried to showcase their basic services, products and the specialities, and it was well reciprocated by the audience also. Audience never say that it is becoming boring or it is becoming longer or it is becoming louder. So the participative part was the best part for me. Usually what I have experienced is in most of such events, participants becomes slightly boring, and they say it is becoming longer or they are taking long time. But it was very interesting. People were watching it silently, and they were very saying you all were very good. I think it was very good effort, and everything was on time. To me, the most surprising part that in Nepal also you all could maintain time well on time. So that was one of the best part for me. And in future, what we can do is we can organize many more this type of activities in Nepal, for which I think we'll be requiring help of your agency, and we'll definitely recall you all for that.
From the day one, I could not see any significant change, because when we are at the top, then we have to remain at the top, and we have to redefine ourselves all the time again. Punctual was super, as the city sometimes starts very late. But here today morning, we started almost on time. We are almost going to finish on time, and this is a great good achievement. And as I said, people are dropping in, audience is fully packed. So I'm super happy.
So I really like the concept of architecture summit. Reason behind, instead of gathering 2,000 or 20,000 people, you have gathered 200 people, but they are perfect people for our business, who focuses on business, who talk technical things about business, and we love explaining technical things, and they are the future of Nepal and future of our industry. So obviously we love to interact with them and explaining our product. So obviously this is gonna be a huge success for you guys.
That was very interesting, and at least hearing people of younger age was something very good to be here. And great that your organization does this and connect us all.